Hey, what's up everyone? Easy Earl here. So today we are going to discuss which we think is better, Wix or Bluehost. So let's begin. Now, choosing between Bluehost and Wix depends largely on your specific needs and the type of website you want to create because both platforms has their own pros and cons, which we are going to dive and discuss today. We will be more transparent and be honest with our opinions and verdict because we are using both platforms. All right, I'm using Wix and Bluehost for specific and certain needs for my website. Now, if you have watched some of our videos or our comparison videos with Wix to Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Portfolio, Adobe to Blogger. Now, Wix is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a drag and drop interface that allows users with no coding experience to create a professional-looking website easily. It offers a vast collection of templates across various industries and styles. Now these templates are customizable, allowing users to personalize their websites according to their needs. But in terms of Bluehost, it primarily offers web hosting services. It's known for providing reliable hosting with a good uptime, scalable plans, and various hosting options like a shared or VPS dedicated. It also recommended by WordPress and offers optimized hosting for WordPress websites, all right? It provides one-click WordPress installation and a user-friendly interface for managing WordPress websites. Now, moving forward, all right, Wix provides extensive design flexibility, meaning you can customize layouts, fonts, and colors, and giving you a high level of control over the appearance of your site. Wix has an app market that offers numerous apps and integrations for additional functionalities such as e-commerce, bookings, forms, analytics, and more. These apps can enhance your website's capabilities. Now, in terms of Bluehost, you have more control over your website because you can use it with various website builders or CMS platforms. And it's not just limited to one specific builder like Wix, all right? So you have to consider that into account. Bluehost allows for easy scalability as your website grows, meaning it provides various hosting plans suitable for small business websites or larger enterprise. Time and time again, there are no perfect platforms. Now we are going to discuss the cons for each. While Wix offers a lot of design flexibility for users seeking highly specialized or intricate design modifications, it might have limitations. All right, now advanced users might find certain customization options restrictive compared to more open platforms. Although Wix has a vast array of templates, once you have chosen a template and started building your site, it can be quite challenging to switch to a different template without rebuilding a significant portion of your website. Additionally, the templates can sometimes feel a bit rigid in terms of layout. And of course, Bluehost finds its approach to upselling additional services or add-ons during the sign-up process within the control panel to a bit like aggressive. It's cold sales, really. While the initial prices can be attractive for most, renewal prices for hosting plans can be higher, so you have to take that into consideration, especially after the initial promotional period. While Bluehost generally offers good uptime, some users have reported slower loading times, especially on shared hosting plans when websites experience high traffic. All right, moving forward. While Wix offers e-commerce functionalities, it might not be as robust or customizable compared to dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and this might be limiting for businesses with extensive online selling needs. In some cases, websites built on Wix might experience slower loading times, especially if the site is heavily customized with many plugins or higher resolution images. Now, Bluehost may charge migration fees if you want to transfer your website from another hosting provider to their service, which can be, an additional cost. Shared hosting plans might have limitations on resources like CPU usage and storage space, which could affect performance if your website grows significantly. Okay, so choosing the two. Well, if you ask me, if simplicity and ease of use are priorities and you just want an integrated solution with hosting and user-friendly website builder, I believe Wix might suit you better. Alright, because Wix offers simplicity and a more straightforward approach to website building. Alright? And but then again, if you're comfortable with the more technical aspects and want flexibility with the different platforms, I suggest Bluehost might be a better fit, right? Because it is more suitable for scalability and accommodating various types of websites, right? Ultimately, the better choice depends on your preferences, technical expertise, and the specific requirements for your website or online project. Now, before choosing Bluehost or any hosting service, it's crucial to consider your website's specific needs, traffic expectations, budget, of course, and the level of technical support and features you require. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in our next one.